Hey, it's been a pretty long time since my last video, and no, it wasn't just out of laziness. I was still working on my Patreon, so don't accuse me of that. The real reason is that I was secretly working on a big project. NFTs. Nah, I'm just kidding. But seriously, I was working on something I'm excited to tell you about. My most viewed video was how to start game hacking, and in it, I had advised people to head over to guidehacking.com. That was until I realized in what state it had become. After making this mistake, I published a video talking about exactly that. People shared their bad experience, and I did try to offer some alternatives. But to be honest, there's really none that's good out there. So, as you can probably predict, that super secret project I'm rambling about is a game hacking platform. The footage I'm about to show you is not final, as the project is still under development, but let's get to it. When it comes to the design, you will be greeted by a modern interface, which will allow you to pick from a variety of courses. Each course will be composed of chapters, videos, and even questions. You will also have access to a ticket system from which you'll be able to get help if you encounter issues or if you have difficulties understanding certain concepts. When it comes to what courses we expect to first release, one will take you through all the core concepts of computer science, one will teach you how to do reverse engineering, and one will be for game hacking itself. There's also gonna be one about C++. We do intend to make it pay to use with a monthly and a yearly plan, but when it comes down to the price, we just haven't made a decision yet. Anyways, that's pretty much all I wanted to tell you for the time being. Thanks to all my Patreons, stay tuned for updates and expect new videos like before soon. Take care!